Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about free fall and weightlessness. So in free fall, it is the condition when a body is falling freely towards the center of the earth under the influence of gravitational pull of the earth only. Then the motion of the body is called free fall. भनेको जब कुनै पनि वस्तु पृथ्वीको ग्राभिटीको इन्फ्लुएन्सको कारणले गर्दा मात्र खस्छ भने मिन्स देयर इज नो एयर फ्रिक्सन or friction given by air to the body, falling body, or you can say air resistance, then the motion of the body is free fall. भनेको जब कुनै पनि वस्तु खस्छ हैन अनि त्यो खसाइको that falling of the body is only due to त्यो बडी चाहिँ मात्र पृथ्वीको ग्राभिटेसनल कारणले गर्दा ग्राभिटेसनल पुलको कारणले गर्दा मात्र खस्छ भने त्यस्तो मोसनलाई हामी के भन्छौं त free fall. Example, a body falling on the surface of the moon because moon has no atmosphere, so there is no chance of upthrust given by the air to the falling body on the surface of moon. So on the surface of moon the motion of the falling body is free fall. Another, a body falling through vacuum. If there is vacuum, then the acceleration of the falling body is equal to acceleration due to gravity, and that's why the motion of the body is free fall. An object inside the satellite revolving around the earth is free fall because at every point during the motion of the satellites falls towards the earth's surface, and if the object in the satellite that also accelerates towards the earth's surface with same acceleration as that of the satellite at that point, and the net acceleration of the object in the satellites becomes zero. Hence what? The object in satellites revolving around the earth always fall freely towards the center of the earth. Now weightlessness. Weightlessness is the condition of a body in which the body feels weightlessness, means the weight of the body becomes zero. That is called weightlessness. Listen, so the condition, sorry, where is black pen? Let me write with black pen. So the weightlessness of a body is the state can you see clear, it can be seen clear or not? So the weightlessness of a body is the state in which the weight of the body becomes zero. This is called weightlessness. भनेको जुनसुकै वस्तुको यदि कुनै पनि वस्तुको वेट चाहिँ जिरो भएर जान्छ त्यो कन्डिसनलाई के भन्छ त weightlessness of the body, and it occurs only when the acceleration due to gravity of the earth provides same acceleration to the falling body, means when the acceleration of falling body is equal to the acceleration due to gravity, at that time body feels weightlessness, and that during that the motion of the body is free fall, means during free fall body feels zero weight. I'm going to show some examples. Suppose this is what condition for condition. Let me write what is the condition for weightlessness. One that is when a body falls under the gravity, under the influence of gravity only. That is when the acceleration of the body, when the falling body, when the acceleration of the falling body becomes equal to or is equal to acceleration due to gravity. This is the main condition for the weightlessness. So when a body falls under the influence of gravity only, and when the acceleration due to of a falling body is equal to the acceleration due to gravity. And other examples where the body feels weightlessness, other examples are at null point and in the satellites. The body at the center of the earth, and when the body is at null point between two planetary at null point of interplanetary space. These are the examples where the body feels weightlessness. I am going to demonstrate one example. This is the lift, and here a man or a woman, you can standing on the lift, and the lift is falling with acceleration A. The lift is moving down. And here R is the reaction in the rope. And here G also. Gx means weight x, that is mass mg x downwards. Then reactional force. So examples, number one is when a body is in a freely falling lift. So just listen here. The lift is falling downward with acceleration A, okay, and the weight of the lift as well as the weight of the body in the lift mg acting downwards. Then the reaction will be equal to R is equal to mg plus ma, sorry, mg minus ma. M is the force with which the body is falling towards the earth, and this is the weight. Mg is the weight of the body, and A is the acceleration of the falling the lift. This is lift. Then this is the reactional force. This is the reaction force on the rope or the string of the lift. Where now when when the lift when the lift falls with acceleration due to gravity भनेको जब यो लिफ्टको एक्सेलरेसन फलिङ लिफ्टको एक्सेलरेसन के को बराबर भएर जान्छ त एक्सेलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्राभिटीको बराबर भएर जान्छ एट दैट ए इज इक्वल टु जी एन्ड what the person standing in the freely falling lift will feel mg minus mg. Here a becomes g, so mg minus ma is equal to 0. Hence the person in a freely falling lift feels weightlessness. Another examples. Body is orbiting in satellites. What? 1 2 second is, let me turn the paper. Okay, second one is when the body at center of the earth, we know that the relation, what's relation we have proved in previous chapter. G is equal to, means due to acceleration due to gravity or effects of variation and gravity due to depth. We have proved G1 is equal to, means G at depth is equal to R minus, you can say R minus depth by R into G. Suppose G at center at center depth becomes equal to radius of the earth. Okay, then R minus R by R is equal to into G, that is 0. Or if you separate this, what? R by R minus R by R into G, means 1 minus 1, you will get what? 1 minus 1 into G is equal to 0 into G, 0. So at the center of the earth, acceleration due to gravity is 0. Hence the body feels, hence weight. We know weight formula, W is equal to mg, and weight is equal to mass into 0 acceleration, means 0 Newton weight at center of the earth. This is the second. So at center of the earth, the body feels weightlessness. Third number is number third, body at null point. body at null point in space. As we know that G is directly proportional to 1 by r plus h को whole square. When the height from the earth surface, where h is the height from the earth surface, when it is infinite plus when h becomes infinite at null point, suppose, then what? And we have studied that when the height from the earth surface increases, the value of g decreases. So when the h becomes maximum, the value of g becomes 0, minimum, that's 0. So at null point, the effect of gravity is 0. At null point, g is equal to 0 meter per second square. Hence weight is equal to mg, means m into 0 is equal to 0 Newton weight. So at body at null point feels weightlessness. Fourth one is body in satellites. Body in a satellite orbiting the earth. When the body is in satellites, in revolving satellites, then every object in the satellites has acceleration. Suppose this is the earth and this is satellites revolving around the earth at certain distance, and this is the object. The acceleration of the object as well as acceleration of the satellites revolving the earth is equal, and which is also equal to acceleration due to gravity towards the center of the earth. And means the object in satellites, means in revolving satellites, is falling towards the center of the earth with acceleration due to gravity. And we know that if a falling body has acceleration equal to acceleration due to gravity, then the body feels weightlessness. Here acceleration of every object in a satellite, satellites revolving the earth, A is equal to G, means the body in revolving satellites falls with acceleration due to gravity at every point in its path towards the center of the earth. So weight becomes what? W is equal to, means an acceleration of the object, net acceleration of the object becomes 0, and hence body feels weightlessness. Sorry. Suppose this is the ground, this is the top. If you throw object from here,